Today we are going to be making a very delicious stew. It's going to be chickpea, kale, coconut milk, and tomatoes stew. And for that you'll need the following ingredients. You will need your chickpeas. I'm using 2 cups. You'll need your kale. I'm using about 200 grams. Coconut milk. Mine is a regular can of 400 millimeters. And diced tomatoes. Mine is 796 millimeters. You could use fresh tomatoes, about 8 to 10 tomatoes, and dice them. For your spices, you are going to be using salt, pepper, and I'm suggesting you to use some cinnamon. I want my chickpeas to be really flavorful, so I'm going to be using and adding some extra optional spices. I'm going to be using garlic powder, onion powder, some dried onion flakes, which is probably like the same but a different format. I'm gonna be adding some smoked paprika and chana masala and garam masala. I could use one, either or, but I'm gonna use a tablespoon of this and a tablespoon of this for more flavor. And most importantly, we are going to be making all in our Instant Pot. This is an optional step, but if you want it, you can also pre-soak your chickpeas. Do it for at least 4 hours or more. You can leave it overnight. Strain the water and rinse it well. Preheat your water to accelerate the process. Shake well your milk and open it. Open your diced tomatoes. Add your chickpeas to your bowl. Add tomatoes, fresh or canned. Add your coconut milk. In the meantime, to accelerate the process, I turn on my Instant Pot and set it on saute to help preheat the bowl. When your water has reached the boiling point, add at least a cup of water into your pot. This is to prevent it from burning. I added almost to the level of the half of the pot, like 1 centimeter less than the half of the pot. In goes a tablespoon of salt, some fresh pepper, a teaspoon cinnamon, or you could use a cinnamon bark or cinnamon stick, whatever it's called. Now the optionals. Garam masala, I'm doing half a tablespoon. Chana masala, half a tablespoon. Smoked paprika, a teaspoon. Dried onion flakes, a tablespoon. Again, this is optional. You could use some fresh onion and saute it first and then add all these ingredients as an option. You could use fresh onion and saute it and then add fresh garlic and saute it for a few seconds and then add all this goodness on top of it instead. Garlic powder, a tablespoon. Granulated onion, which is onion powder, a tablespoon. Mix it all well to incorporate the spices and everything you have inside. Close the lid. Set the vent to sealed and set your timer for 30 minutes. Okay, cancel. Pressure cook 30 minutes. Take off the keep warm. Let it go. Wash your kale thoroughly. Tear or chop it into chunks. So I'm decompressing my Instant Pot meal. I have my kale ready to go get inside. We are gonna just wait for the steam to get off and for this marker to drop down, whatever it's called. And then we're gonna open our Instant Pot and add our kale and then bring it to boil on saute and just let it boil for a couple of minutes. Almost done, you see. Okay, I think that it's already gone. Just let me try. Yeah, it was just stuck for a sec. So let's open and look at our chickpeas. Could stick it here. Let's see. Yeah. Our chickpeas. Some more light. Smells divinely. Tastes good. Okay. Now we're gonna add our kale. Just drop it in. And then we are going to cover it. Now let's cover and saute for a couple of minutes. Saute. This doesn't matter, or we could decrease it, doesn't really matter. We're gonna do it for a couple of minutes. Bring it to boil and boil for 2-3 minutes. Our boiling dish. I'm actually going to close the lid and turn it off and let it stay like this for a couple of minutes instead of just boiling it through. And here we go, guys. The deliciousness is ready. It smells nice with a touch of cinnamon flavor and fragrance, whatever you call it. Let's try it. Really delicious. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to click the bell icon beside the subscribe button to be notified about all new videos or live stream.